Someone, somewhere, was the first person in human history to say I am in charge, and make everyone else believe it. Here's how kingship was actually invented. In the ancient landscapes of Mesopotamia, Egypt, and China, the earliest forms of monarchy emerged, leaving behind a trail of ruins, artifacts, and mysterious legends that have captivated historians and archaeologists for centuries. The origin of monarchy is a complex and multifaceted topic, with various theories and interpretations, but one thing is certain: the concept of kingship has been a cornerstone of human civilization for thousands of years. In ancient Sumer, the first kings emerged, with the Sumerian king list recording reigns that stretched for tens of thousands of years, a clear exaggeration that has puzzled historians for decades. However, as the list progresses, the reign lengths become more realistic, indicating a shift from mythical to historical records. The Sumerian kings ruled over city-states, with the most powerful ones controlling vast stretches of land and resources. The ruins of ancient Mesopotamian cities, such as Ur and Babylon, still stand today, testifying to the grandeur and majesty of these early kingdoms. The carved stone reliefs and clay tablets with cuneiform writing provide a fascinating glimpse into the lives and accomplishments of these ancient rulers. The Sumerian king list is a vital source of information for historians, providing insights into the politics, economy, and culture of ancient Sumer. The list includes the names of kings, their lengths of reign, and notable achievements, such as the construction of temples, canals, and other public works. The transition from mythical to historical records is a significant milestone in the development of kingship, marking the beginning of a more rational and systematic approach to governance. The use of cuneiform writing, which emerged during this period, played a crucial role in the administration of these early kingdoms, enabling the recording of laws, business transactions, and historical events. In ancient Egypt, the concept of kingship took on a different form, with the pharaoh being considered a living god. This idea developed over time, with the pharaoh's role evolving from a mere mortal ruler to a divine being, responsible for maintaining the cosmic order and ensuring the fertility of the land. The pharaoh's power was absolute, with his word being law, and his authority extending to all aspects of Egyptian society. The stone statue of the ancient ruler, standing tall and proud, is a testament to the grandeur and majesty of these powerful monarchs. The temple ruins, with their intricate hieroglyphics and carved columns, provide a glimpse into the spiritual and cultural practices of ancient Egypt. The pharaoh's divinity was reinforced by elaborate rituals and ceremonies, which were designed to maintain the balance and harmony of the universe. The construction of grand monuments, such as the pyramids, was also a testament to the pharaoh's power and wealth. The ancient Egyptians believed that the pharaoh's role was not only to govern the living but also to provide for the dead, with the elaborate funerary rituals and tomb constructions being designed to ensure the pharaoh's safe passage into the afterlife. The desert landscape, with the pyramid silhouette looming in the distance, is a haunting reminder of the transience and mystery of human existence. The concept of the mandate of heaven, which emerged in ancient China, was a powerful tool used to justify the rule of every Chinese dynasty for over 2,000 years. According to this idea, rulers could only rule if the gods approved, and their authority was legitimate only as long as they maintained the harmony and balance of the universe. The ancient Chinese architectural ruins, with their intricately carved stone walls and traditional palace architecture, provide a glimpse into the grandeur and majesty of these early Chinese kingdoms. The bronze vessels, with their intricate designs and patterns, are a testament to the artistic and cultural achievements of these ancient civilizations. The first Chinese emperors, such as Qin Shi Huang, were known for their ambition and vision, with their legacies continuing to shape Chinese history and culture to this day. The construction of the Great Wall, one of the most impressive architectural achievements in history, is a testament to the power and ingenuity of these early Chinese rulers. The traditional palace architecture, with its intricate carvings and ornate decorations, reflects the cultural and artistic achievements of these ancient civilizations. The carved dragon relief on stone, with its intricate patterns and designs, is a symbol of the mythical and mystical world that underpin the concept of the mandate of heaven. The origin of monarchy is a complex and multifaceted topic, with various theories and interpretations. However, one thing is certain: the concept of kingship has been a cornerstone of human civilization for thousands of years. The stories of the Sumerian kings, the Egyptian pharaohs, and the first Chinese emperors provide a fascinating glimpse into the lives and accomplishments of these ancient rulers, who shaped the course of human history in profound and lasting ways. The ruins, artifacts, and legends that they left behind continue to captivate and inspire us, reminding us of the power and majesty of human imagination and creativity. As we explore the origins of monarchy, we are reminded of the importance of understanding the past in order to appreciate the present. The development of kingship, from its early beginnings in ancient Mesopotamia to its evolution in Egypt and China, is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of human beings. The concept of the mandate of heaven, with its emphasis on the divine right to rule, is a powerful reminder of the complex and multifaceted nature of human societies and cultures. By studying the history of monarchy, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complexities and nuances of human civilization, and appreciate the enduring legacy of these ancient rulers. If you've enjoyed this journey into the origins of monarchy, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more documentaries and explorations of the fascinating history of human civilization. From the ancient kingdoms of Mesopotamia to the modern nations of today, we'll be exploring it all, so join us on this journey of discovery and exploration, and let's uncover the secrets and mysteries of the past together.